didn't see you there. I'll be building a bench today for my CNC machine. First thing we'll do is sketch it up on SketchUp. Come check it out. All right, what's up? Here we go. We are here in SketchUp. First thing I'm going to do is push R. That's going to get me the rectangle tool. I want to make 3.5, comma, 3.5 square, symbolizing a 4x4. Then I want to pull that up to height by pushing P, pulling it up to 3.6, enter. There we go there. Next thing I'm going to do is highlight that and click M to move it, Option to copy it before I paste it. That will be 32 inches. T, you get your tape measure. That'll show you the distance. I'm going to highlight those and move them this way. Push Option. And I want those to be 62.5. That will leave us with a distance of 66 inches. Let's take a look here what we got. What you usually have to do here is make these a group by highlighting, right click, make a group. And if you go into your windows and you open up your outliner, you'll see that group right there. Best thing to do is rename that. Legs. Okay. That way it doesn't get stuck to whatever else you draw onto it. I can make, say, another rectangle here. That's 32.5. But I want to change this number down here to exactly 2.5, symbolizing a 2x4. All right, there we are there. And I think I'm going to be building these in like so. And 2x4 is 1.5 by 2.5. No, 3.5. So this needs to go up another inch. All right, there you have a 2x4. These are 4x4s. And this, you want to make it a group. I'll rename that to leg 2x4. That way, in the future, if I want to hide it, it's very easy to do so. All right, let's do the same thing over here. By actually just moving this on the green axis. If you're having trouble keeping on axis, you could push the arrow keys, and the left arrow will keep me on this correct axis. Push the Option key to copy that and line it up right there. And there we are. So that's that. The next part that I want to do here is probably the stretchers. And I have to think a little bit on how I want to make those. Rectangle from here to here. Boom, P, pull it out 1.5 inches like so. To orbit, I just simply click the scroll mouse button. And this looks a little funky. I delete that. This piece, we want to make that a group. Outliner, leg. All right. And that lets me move it. I'm going to push the right button to get on that red axis. Option button to copy that. And that's not exactly where I want it, so I'm going to go ahead and move that right back there. Space bar, click off of the model. All right, so basically that's the legs of it. What I am going to do here is have plywood roughly to down here, but it's not going to be 2 inches. The plywood, if you look down to the right here, is going to be 0.75. Push the P button to pull it. That's how my plywood will cover. Go ahead and make that a group. Rename it to ply and then move it. I'm going to push the M button, the Option button, and it wants to put it there because I'm selected this corner. So I'm going to let it go there, but then I'm going to select the other corner and bring that corner in like so. Is plywood piece up here. And that's going to be 0.75 and pulled all the way across here, giving it some nice strength. And we will do the same on the other side by pushing M, Option, click, easy peasy. This will give us room for drawers up here without putting a chunky 2x4 or something in the way. All right. And I do need a bottom. And rectangle that out, push the R button. Get in that corner. Out to here. P, 0.75. And we got ourselves a bottom. It can be pulled up. Almost there. That will be our center divider. And I plan to put a couple big drawers up here that go about halfway back. So that means another piece right here. And I can just go ahead and rectangle that in. Okay, it's not going to be 2.4, it's going to be 0.75. And it's going to be pulled up to the same height as this. And there you go. Oh, look, all that got stuck together because I didn't group it. So all this, I can't move because it's all stuck together. And that's why you group your stuff. You don't rush through it. Okay, so what I'm going to do is let it be for now. Rectangle it out from there. Change that to 0.75 and pull it up. All right, now I'll go ahead and make this a group. This is one big group. Let's look at the outliner and that group, rename that to center dividers. So this will be kind of the dividers. I'll put some shelves back in here. And these will be the drawers. Not super deep, but let's see. 16 inches, that's significant. That's significant enough. Let's see, let me make a drawer face here. I think about 6 inches is good. Put 3/4 of an inch. And we'll go ahead and make it a group so we're nice and organized. Move that corner. So basically those will be the drawer boxes. For now, this will be an open space. And there'll probably be some shelves in here like so. 0.75 pulled. Let's pull it all the way across for time's sake. Yeah. And we'll go ahead and make that a group and rename it to shelf. All right, so here's our bench. The only thing we're missing now is a top. Very easy. Push the R button, rectangle it out, push P, pull it up. Yeah, I think that'll do. All right, and here we have our modeled workbench. Oh, don't forget to save your file. This is my CNC workbench. Thank you guys for hanging out. I hope you learned something and see you on the next one.